There it is. There's my kayak. Yeah, I've been waiting 2 months for this bad boy. Excited to open it up. So I'm finally done setting everything up. Looks nice. This is the BKC PK11 10.5 foot Sit-On-Top kayak. Bought this at Brooklyn Kayak Company. It's actually, I don't really know what brand this is, but did a lot of research. It was the only, I guess, cheap or affordable pedal kayak. See, pedal drive, but comes with paddle too, right here. Yeah, it's 1,300. I would do a quick run through of the kayak. So nothing special. Special is just a hatch right here. A lot of apartment room, storage room, lock, simple. There you go. Nothing special. Looks like it's working. Pull that up. Turn, there you go. Comes up just like that. Simple, straightforward. Nice. Pretty cool seat. Looks comfy. Pretty high. I could actually put stuff down here. Enough for like small bin or something. To adjust the seat, you just loosen these knobs and then you can just slide up and down. Just a rudder control. Controls that right there. More compartment. There we go. Boom. Rod holder, another rod holder, drain plug right there, paddle holder, there's the rudder. Yeah, I'm excited to test it out. So I was way too excited about launching my kayak. I totally forgot to document the whole thing, but this is actually the first time that my kayak's on the water. First time ever. So far so good. Trekking really good. Let's see what else. Didn't try standing on it yet, but so far so good. So far so good. I think this is the only benefit. Dude, you guys, it was still pretty hard keeping up with you guys. But like when you get to a spot, I could back pedal and kill my momentum. Yeah. Alright, time to stand up. Oh, dude, super stable. Yeah, you could definitely fish. Yeah, you could definitely fish standing up the whole time. Oh, really? Wow, Edward, you're not gonna believe this. So I got stuck, right? And then a fish came and picked up my bait and ran with it. My gosh, this pro over here.
It's his home lake, that's why. Come on. The tiny small. Do you have a trailer from Bam!
I think I missed one right by the boat, too.
Okay, I already got my 14-incher.
Yeah, I heard. School of minnows or shads. Oh, right on top of the school. How's nothing chasing those guys? See a little bass. Oh, that was crazy. Oh. Oh, that was a good cast too. Oh, what the heck? Oh, I think there's a billion sunnies back there. Oh yeah, I see. It's a bunch of little bass. Oh, I wasn't recording, but I got a fish. Oh, get in the boat. Yes. I didn't get the hook set, but got one. Yes. You, my friend, first bass or fish in my kayak. I will take it. Not even 12 inch. Nice, first fish. Goodbye, friend. Oh, it's a dot. It's theirs. Oh, that's pretty cool. Just wanted a closer look. Looks like a decent one. Gosh, they really want the swim bait, don't they? Yo, that's gonna break 16. I'm coming, yo. Oh, that's close. That's very close. Oh, I don't know if that's 6. That's close. It's gonna be a close one, fellas.
Nah, you lied.
No picture, no proof. 16.5. We need that tomorrow. Don't use all your luck to beat Edward. Come on.
Oh, let's go. Freaking huge stick. Oh, I lost it. Like 50 inches, George.
I would have measured that. I would have counted that.
George, you got luck.
Leave it. Put it on the ground for now.